triangles, and the gift of wisdom. And we are at 11:59.
We just want to get that pizza.
50 more seconds. Grab some
Go to Harlem.
you love.
It's 12.
Something about that energy and
It hit the late, y'all. It's 12. Happy New Year. Woo! It's they behind. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, little family.
Powerball.
Hey. I got this marble laptop thing so that when you're laying in your bed and you want to use your computer doesn't overheat. Oh heck nah, this lighting is horrible. Horrible. Happy New Year. Ooh, that's not bad actually. Happy New Year. I woke up at 8:22. We were supposed to be gone at, I'm sorry, I woke up at 9:22 and we were supposed to leave at 9:30. Clearly that's not happening. It does not take 8 minutes for anybody in this house to get ready. We are going to someone's house and they are going to make gumbo. My mom is basically going to be making it, helping her make it. This is a week in my life basically. I thought about this video 2 days ago. Instead of just doing a regular week in my life, I could do my first week in the new year. I will title it something along those lines. I thought it would be cool. I'm going to get ready right now. You guys saw me go into 2022. You guys saw that last night. Nothing too crazy. Okay. Really? You have a whole trunk? I'm just playing. Y'all, this is for the gumbo. These pots and pans. Hey, I'm starting off the new year rushing to go to my first event of the new year. Like, bruh. Okay, let me put this stuff in the trunk. This is a Christmas gift, even though it ain't Christmas no more. This, what do you call, crock pot? Ooh, let me put this in the trunk. Another crock pot. And now I just need to organize my computer bag, my purse, my other bag for my camera. The girl is never not working. Whether it's YouTube, other business stuff, gotta stay busy. Work hard, but take breaks. Don't be like, grind never stops. No, the grind does stop, y'all. At least for me. I take my breaks. And keep her from the... I've been feeling so long. Let me get... I needed to, I had to sit back there, Mom. There was no room. I had to.
You left the trunk open right now.
Oh, my apologies, my apologies. I messed up what you had going on. I'm so sorry. Okay. It might be. Bring it down. Bring it down. Bring it down. You see it? Your stomach and the... What? I don't know your stomach. Oh. turn this down. Don't tell me this is on your phone.
Hater.
Wait, this is on your.
You're a hater.
Oh my gosh.
No. Is it too late for breakfast? Okay, can I get two?
Wait, I don't want breakfast. I just want the nuggets.
Okay. Can I get a what? A 6 piece? What?
Yes, 6.
Can I get a 6? Okay, wait. Let me get a salt. What does she want? Oh my god.
Relax, relax, relax.
Let me get a sausage McMuffin. No, another one. It's gonna be 2. A 6-piece nugget. Make it 2 of those, and then a large fry. Thank you. You too. Thank you.
Nuggies. Made it to the crib. I'm still on that grind. Y'all know how it be. Finna edit. Finna? I said finna, and this one man that I know, he's white and he's older than me. I said finna in front of him. He said finna? I said I'm going to. Like, I corrected myself. But anyways, I'm finna edit. I gotta make this schedule for some business thing, and then I also need to edit. Get this video up. I need to make the thumbnail. I already have my thumbnail. Well, I haven't made it, but I found the picture. Damn.
Play Leo.
My mom's best friend got me this. I'm gonna open it on camera, but I'm gonna open it when my mom opens her gift, and then she also got my sister something, and then we also got her something. So we're all gonna open our gifts. So I'm gonna open this later.
This ain't heavy. Uh-oh. Oh, they hate the peppermint smell. Uh-oh, my God. Thank you, Shantae. I literally just ran out of my building. I'm gonna burn this right when I get home. I have a place I want to take you. Where? To the grocery store? I think so.
What are you doing?
She's so cute. How much was that computer?
2,000 something.
Why you get the mouse?
What are you doing now, Mom?
I'm testing and mixing and trying to get it right. Trying to do my
Look, all this crab.
You gotta be careful. So these are sharp. So you're gonna kind of just grab it at the tip here. I need you to be careful because this is meat. It's a lot of meat in here, right? So just kind of break it off individually like this. Do that, and then put them back in there. Maybe you can like put them. My resolution is to go.
Yeah,
You can say that for a while, Mama.
Today the 1st. I said resolution. Forget what I've been saying.
Forget last year's life.
I said
Okay.
resolution.
Yeah.
It's I gotta figure that out. Since I go into the whatever. Pick what I want now. I pick what I want to do.
What other goals do you have? Do you want this year or next year?
Oh,
Next year.
Well, I hadn't thought about that part because I know there's other things that has to take place before that happens. And then
I need this in my car, like this thing that you have. I need that because look how the camera sits. You had it in the Lexus too. It was perfect.
Do you think the
I'm about to start when our conversation is done.
start talking? Oh, I was just letting you know.
I was waiting for you guys to.
I can turn it.
I'll shut up then.
I know. I'm still waiting.
I'm fine.
Okay. This lighting. I like this. The setting that happened. I don't know why you don't like it.
Oh, it's still. Maybe you want to get the picture of the
It
buildings
won't
now.
pick up.
We're closer.
It won't look back like clean and crisp.
Okay. I edit. Okay, Milan. Okay, guys. We just left Shantae's house. We're heading back home.
First of all, y'all, I'm back home. I just opened my my computer. Hold on. I am eating. I never say them right. I have a pack right there. And then I also have one right here, which is the one that I opened. I've been munching on them. Had two so far. I'm about to have a third one right now. But I am opening my computer so that I can get some work done while I watch some YouTube. But yeah, it is 6:53. I really only had 2 meals today, the Gumbo and McDonald's. But it'd be so crowded in here. Dang, why everybody want to be here? Right now we're at a bakery. Me and my mom, we're gonna get something, and then we're also gonna get hot chocolate. And then I am taking this hair down because I'm getting it done tomorrow. I wish I could get my nails done, but I need to let my nails grow for one. And two, I have a surprise for someone and the planning of my life. The days, it's just not gonna work out, and I'd rather surprise them than get my nails done. I was asking, you want hot chocolate from Starbucks? Popping out the bag, smoke today.
How many? What do you want, Milan?
I want the bacon. Or
Where's that at?
can I get one of these?
One
Yes.
more. Huh? Yes.
Look, they have new maple walnut cinnamon roll. That's so pretty. Yes, I just forgot. I didn't see them. You like those?
2 of those. Thank you.
Bye, guys. All right, made it home. Me and my mom got one of these. It's this white cream vanilla. I don't really know what it's called. I think they just call it a white cream, which is odd. And then this croissant. There's nothing inside of it. It's not filled with anything. It's just a regular croissant. Them things bomb. And then this right here is a bacon with cheese. I don't know, but they don't make the bacon crispy. They just bake it in the oven, I believe, with the bread. So it's not super crunchy, but it's still really good. Got this. I'm gonna heat it up. I have something in the toaster oven right now. Let me show you that. This one's my mom's and then that one's mine. I already kind of bit into mine. It has pesto, tomatoes, bacon, some cheese.
Don't care. Don't care.
Alrighty, so I'm going to eat this while I read. I started this new book. I'm not even halfway through. Nowhere near. I just started eating. I was in the middle of reading. I got to chapter, I think 10 or something. And then my friend FaceTimed me. So I talked to him. I just got off the phone with him. And now I'm going to take my hair down and start washing it. Let me go get the scissors so we can cut it and see how I would look with short curls. These curls definitely need some life to them. Just give it another 24 hours. Okay, hold on. Coming in hot. So, ooh, you know what I'm gonna do though? Let's clean my room first. I will have a heart attack if I don't clean my room right now and then I make more of a mess. It's not bad though.
From Kentucky with this ain't. I'm way too selective with the folks that I get mixed with. Kick it with a friend.
All right, that's the back of my head if you wanted to know. So the curls are looking not too bad, still full.
My mom painted pictures. We both give it up once I get into the picture. My mom rode horses. I prefer the pencil and hammer.
Airbrush. All right, I'm gonna cut right here. I think you're supposed to go like this when you cut curls. I don't really care though. Wait, I don't know how short it is. Well, it's not even. I can tell y'all that right now. I did not cut that junk even. It isn't bad. Alright, I'm gonna cut it shorter. I definitely look like a little boy. I mean, y'all know I can make anything look good, but it's just definitely uneven. This is how the back looks. Let me show you. Y'all know what this is. Keep your eyes on me. I guess that's why you like it, baby. Anyways, I'm going to finish up and wash my hair in the shower. Y'all know the deal. I never show that. 10:42 right now. We'll see when I'm out the shower. I don't know if I'm gonna update you guys while I'm blow drying my hair, but we're just gonna see how I feel once I get out the shower. I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Well, I am all done now. I'm about to moisturize my face. My friend just texted me about plans, so I might go out later tonight. But I ain't recording that. So. Alright, see y'all tomorrow. No, he didn't.
Do the
TikTok transition.
How do they do it, like this? I don't, yeah. You can go faster. Oh. Bye y'all, see you when my hair's done. That was good. All right, you guys, it is, let me see, 10:05. I am done with my hair. We are at the beauty supply right now. My sister is looking for something. I know she wanted the same bonnet that I have, but this is not where I got it. I might get a comb if they have the right comb that I'm looking for. Because when I was doing my hair yesterday, I had to use my mom's comb and I want my own. So I'm gonna look and see if they have that. But this is my hair. I'll talk more when I'm at home. Also, the girl that does my hair, sweetest woman on earth, she made me this bowl and it had eggs and sausage and cheese and potatoes. It was so good, so good. After this, we're going to go to the eyebrow threading place that it's like right here, right by this beauty supply, and I'm gonna get these done because yeah, after we get our eyebrows done, then we're gonna go back home. We're gonna chill out for the rest of the day. But yeah, look at the volume. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. I'll be back whenever. Hey y'all, that junk low-key hurt. I'm not going to lie. Zelaya started bawling her eyes out. It hurt so much. She said I'm lying. She did shed a tear.
And she's still lying.
You said you did.
I said my eyes got teary.
So you shed a tear.
No, dummy.
See, I didn't know I came here to be disrespected.
So right now, it looks like I have no shirt on. I promise I have a shirt on. I just don't have pants on. But that's besides the point. Right now, I'm about to heat up some leftovers from last night. I had lasagna, so I'm going to eat that. I'll show y'all that in a minute. After that, I'm going to shower. And then I also thought about doing my own nails. I think I already mentioned in this video, because of my schedule, I won't be able to get my nails done this week. Getting my nails done is a first world problem. It is not that serious. On top of that, I have all this nail stuff. I could do my nails myself. So I thought about that. I'm going to do that after I shower. So I'm going to eat, shower, and then get my nails started. If you could not tell, today's day was dedicated to self-care, getting my eyebrows done. My hair. Oh, I think I did show y'all my eyebrows. Did I show you? Well, I got my eyebrows done. They look very nice. So like I was saying though, today is definitely a self-care day. I have not painted my nails in a hot minute, so it might not be great, but I'm going to try. But yeah. New hair, well, I just got a touch up. I love it so much. In the sun, it looks so much better. My lighting in my room is trash. I'm so beautiful. Anyways, let me go show y'all my lasagna real quick. Let me turn off my TV. I also got this comb from the beauty supply. So, just thought I'd let y'all know. All right, let's go get my lasagna. So I know I said I was going to shower after I eat, but that didn't happen. I ended up leaving like you guys saw. And then right when I got home, I hopped in the shower. I'm going to moisturize my face real quick. I look beautiful. All right, all done. So this right here is my little nail drawer. I have all the cute little equipment. I tried doing my nails, I think a year ago. I bought this whole big old kit and used it maybe twice. I'm going to go for this color on my natural nails. Let's get it started. Wait, where did I put the clipper? Oh, it's right here. Right now, I am sitting on my desk about to cut my nails, clip them.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Hey! This is everything. It's a lie.
What?
That is rated R. Bye. I just cut a little bit of my nails so they can be even. They're not long at all. I'm going to start painting them. I'm going to watch some YouTube. I can't, oh, you can see my TV over there. I just wanted to give y'all a little update. All right, I'll be back when my nails are done. Or whenever, I don't know. Okay guys, that is all. Honestly, I'm gonna be real with you. This video was not structured or planned out. I thought it would be cool to show you guys the first week of my new year, our new year. It don't matter, but make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I upload every Tuesday and every Friday, so you're not really losing anything. You're only gaining a new YouTuber, which you hopefully enjoy watching. Sorry I didn't make a proper outro, but when do I ever? Thank you for watching until the end. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace and love. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you have this place on earth, take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you have this place on earth, take you there, take you there, take you there. Won't you fill me up?